Blaine here from Silverwood Toyota. Today I'm looking at this very special truck. It's a 2022 Tundra TRD Pro in black. TRD Pro has lots of neat features. It's kind of a camo finish, light bar. TRD Pro has the 3.5 liter V6 twin turbo with the hybrid electric engine. We've done some upgraded tires on it, some BF Goodrich all-terrains. Comes with a TRD exhaust. Some more of that unique finish on the tailgate cap, bumpers. Has a unique red and black two-tone interior. Power windows, power doors, driver memory seat, power mirrors, heated steering wheel, lots of TRD badging, 14-inch touchscreen, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, wireless charging, panoramic sunroof. If you want any more information about this truck or any others on our lot, give Blaine a call down here at Silverwood Toyota, 780-861-0130.